Imagine getting hit with a sudden medical emergency, only to find out your insurance won't cover a dime. You need cash, fast. Now imagine you and your friends need to come up with $1,000 each to help, and dipping into savings isn't an option. That is the exact situation a tight-knit group of friends recently faced. They bypassed traditional part-time jobs and loans entirely, and instead built a custom, rapid-fire income strategy that generated over $3,000 each in a matter of weeks. We know how they did it because the architect of this strategy, a user named Best Crispair, documented the entire journey in the Our Side Hustle community. This blueprint was forged in absolute necessity, a tested, real-world case study built on specific, executable actions. Before we break down their exact blueprint, we have a quick legal housekeeping note. This video is strictly educational and does not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice on behalf of HustleGrower.com or its affiliates. You assume all risks if you try these strategies. Always do your own independent research before spending money or committing to any gig. While the roadmap we are about to explore worked for this specific group, your own personal execution and local market conditions will dictate your success. When facing a ticking clock, setting up a new business takes too long. So the group started phase 1 by auditing their own homes for dormant assets. They liquidated what they already owned. They gathered old electronics, wiped the data, and sold them online. Even the broken devices sold to buyers looking for scrap parts. For low-value costume jewelry and old political pins, they bypassed individual listings and sold them in bulk lots to guarantee quick turnover. They applied the same logic to household goods like worn vintage Tupperware and beat-up towels. The secret was meticulous, honest photography. By taking close-up pictures with exact measurements and deliberately highlighting the flaws on high-end brands, they built immediate trust with buyers on eBay and Mercari. Selling household clutter doesn't require any upfront investment. It instantly creates the initial seed capital they needed to fund the next, slightly more complex phases of their plan. With the physical clutter gone, the group looked to an asset they carried with them everywhere: their own biology. Selling blood plasma is a well-known quick cash strategy, but they treated it like a strict physical regimen. They committed to heavy hydration and high protein intake for 2 full days before their appointments to ensure their bodies were prepared and they wouldn't be turned away at the clinic. Beyond plasma, they signed up for medical research trials that didn't involve testing new medications. One group member landed a spot in an overnight sleep study, which yielded a significant, immediate payout. If you are finding value in this breakdown so far, hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world side hustle success stories. When you are operating on a strict deadline, your own physiology offers a unique advantage. It requires zero overhead to maintain and generates pure profit. With cash flowing from immediate liquidations and biological payouts, the group shifted to the mid-barrier local service economy. They started targeting very specific community needs. This flowchart illustrates one of their most clever strategies. They contacted large, corporate-owned cemeteries and negotiated a contract to catalog graves online. Instead of charging per headstone, they secured a per-person entry fee. They then updated sites like findagrave.com, adding precise geolocations to help visitors find their relatives. Next, they expanded their local reach by targeting furniture rental companies. These businesses constantly deal with returned items that need deep cleaning. The group secured contracts to steam and vacuum the upholstery, utilizing a simple, sub-$50 portable vacuum designed for pet accidents to maximize their return on investment. Finally, they mapped out a third local income stream. They got CPR certified and pitched themselves to wedding planners as dedicated reception kid watchers. By arriving with planned activities and staying 2 hours longer than the reception itself, they locked in a high-yield gig that operates year-round. By identifying unglamorous pain points in local businesses, they easily carved out their own low-competition service contracts. To round out their strategy, the group moved into the digital landscape. They joined Benable, a social curation platform, and took turns making daily consumer lists to generate affiliate income as a team. They also tackled social media, but avoided broad topics. Instead, they hosted highly specific TikTok live streams focused exclusively on special occasion makeup. This tight niche attracted a highly engaged audience who frequently sent digital gifts to the hosts. But this blueprint wasn't flawless. They attempted to use gig driving apps to make money while traveling between their other jobs. It completely failed. Long wait times, saturated markets, and high mileage resulted in a terrible effort-to-reward ratio. Even the successful jobs carried a heavy burden. Securing that cemetery gig required an entire day of grueling cold calling. The eBay sales meant hours of tedious photography and batching, and keeping a room full of energetic children entertained during a long wedding reception is exhausting physical labor. Generating high-yield emergency cash demands a direct, often uncomfortable trade of your personal time and energy for capital. Passive income is a myth in a crisis. Through sheer volume and relentless execution, Reddit user Best Crispair ended up pulling in over $3,000 individually, easily surpassing the original $1,000 goal. The friend's medical bill was paid in full, ensuring a smooth recovery, and the intense shared workload brought the entire friend group closer together. Real financial resilience comes from dropping your ego and executing unglamorous tasks that most people overlook. If you want to study the exact details of this strategy, head over to HustleGrower.com for the full blueprint. And let us know down in the comments, which one of these hustles are you willing to start today? True financial resilience is built by looking closely at your immediate surroundings and having the discipline to leverage the hidden opportunities that are already there.